We are in the single digits for the countdown for our week-long Disney vacation. I'm just going over our itinerary and double checking all of our reservations, just all the little details. Also editing some videos before we leave town, just because I'd like to start vacation not having any task looming over me. I'm sure many of you can understand that.
The packing is continuing, so right now I am doing our called the pool bag. Basically, it's the bag that's going to have all the SPF and goggles and such in it. I actually, I'm taking everything. This bag has run its course. It's quite a few. In fact, I think my daughter got it as a birthday present a few years ago, and it's a cute bag, but it has the, let me take all my, actually I need to, it's time to clean this stuff out anyway. I always like to keep a pool bag ready to go, just with lens wipes, chapstick, SPF, a little mini brush. It was really cute. It still is cute. It's just dried up. It's one of those that had like liquid in it and the confetti used to move, but it's gotten yucky and worn out, and I'm just waiting for that zipper to pop. So time to retire her. I'm gonna put her in the trash right now. So I had bought this bag. This one's really cute. I love clear bags because you can see what's in it. And that one was clear, but it's just getting gross. But I had bought these, I think last year, or maybe even the year before. I'd ordered it from one of my friends. I think these are so cute, and I love the hot pink with the gold hardware. I'm just putting her goggles. I'm just pretty much getting it ready. That way I'm continuing the vacation prep. That way when we get to the resort in a few days, when we go to the pool, I have all of this packed and ready to go. Or even just for our mornings when we're getting ready for the parks, you have to, we get a lot of, I live in Louisiana and I'm in the sun pretty often here just because I walk my dog every day, but I find that sun, when you go even further south, like Orlando, the sun is strong. So I'm getting my SPF ready. I like the, I do different ones. I like Sunbum. I don't have that one. Actually, Sunbum is when it's in my daughter's Solar Buddy right now. I'm gonna link these. These are really cool, especially for little ones, because it's a sponge. I don't know if you guys can see, and it has a roller. So what you do, this is just the cap on it, and they come in different colors. I just bought the one that was cheapest and on sale on Amazon. So I don't want to unscrew it and make a mess, but this unscrews and you fill the cap with lotion, your SPF, and then they just sit there, and it's cool because it's already going on. Like the roller ball delivers, so there's no big mess of lotion and having to spread it. Literally, your kids can put their lotion on in the morning. And it's also kind of fun if you have, like I have one child, but if I had multiple kids, I would probably like Cricut and put their name on it or something cute to, sorry, my vacuum, my Roomba is going to town right now and it's attacking a bag. So I was like, what's going on? This is really cool for applying and kids applying to themselves. And I love the roller ball. I know it's hard for you guys to see, but I can smell it. Oh, I love the smell of Sunbum. Anyway, so those are really neat. So I'm bringing that for sure. And it's, in fact, let me open it and see if I need, oh no, she's pretty full. Look, see guys, it's kind of messy. I need to wipe it, but you preload the cap with the lotion. In fact, let me scoop that in there. And that way you don't have to, like this, you don't have the big lotion and you have to wipe. And for kids, it's pretty foolproof. So she can, in the mornings when we're getting ready for the parks, we wear SPF before going to the parks because you're in that hot sun. Sometimes you're waiting in a line and it's not covered. So you need the SPF. So that, I'm bringing that for her. I'm just bringing, I like Hawaiian Tropic. This one's pretty good too. So I have, actually, these are two different Hawaiian Tropics. I'm gonna just bring two of them. I bought these not too long ago, so they're when we went on our Disney cruise. So those are both full. I'm gonna bring a little bit of 15. Sometimes if we go to the pool, I'll put 15 on my legs, but for the most part, I do 50 all over. I'm gonna bring my cool down just in case somebody gets burnt. I'm bringing Blakely's face stick. Well, anybody can use this, but she is a fan. Like in the morning, she'll do this on her face. Part of my skincare routine, I have an SPF lotion, but she just uses the stick, and her and my husband, they'll put it on the top of their ears. But these are good. I love the sticks. And also, a lot of times I will stick the stick. And okay, this one is so gross right now because I broke the cap, but these are one of those powder sunscreens. So in my actual park bag, I like to bring both of these just for touch-ups throughout the day. Spray sunscreen. This more for when we're by the pool, if we visit the pool, which I'm sure we're going in the middle of summer, or not the middle, the beginning of summer. So we're gonna be pooling it for sure. Okay, and how cute, oh my gosh, okay, this is kind of stupid, but I like it. Sometimes I like dumb purchases. These are the cutest. It's a phone umbrella, and I can't show you because I'm filming on my phone, so I can't grab my phone and show you guys, but it has the MagSafe on it, so it magnetizes to the back of your phone. That way, if you've ever tried to lay by the pool and look at your phone and you can't see because of the glare, this little thing, I just think it's so cute. Look how cute that is. $5 at Five Below. So I just got this a few weeks ago, and we were in there the other day and I saw they still have them, but I'm gonna put that in my little bag. I have some lens wipes. I like to bring that. Of course, chapsticks, can't go wrong with that. And this one, I think one of them, actually both of them are SPF chapsticks. So what's this? More lens wipes. A ponytail holder, because just in case, I always keep, this thing is so old and it looks actually gross, but it's just a little mini brush. These are nice even when you're, get out the pool and you want to just quickly detangle your hair, especially my daughter's hair is long, so that helps. If we don't want to run back to the room and do it, you can do that. And I have a ponytail holder. And then that's that, guys. Just, perfect clear bag with all my my SPFs ready to go. The packing continues. I'm also I haven't decided yet, so I'm laughing. Wade started at work. I swear we are not old people, but we are old people. We don't take a lot of medicine. Actually, we're both very blessed. We don't take prescription meds at all. Basically, we just take supplements and things like magnesium at night, vitamins. So he has his. I bought this one. This one's super cute. I used this one on my last trip and I really like it. I had bought this one from Target, I don't know, a few years ago. I like it and I like the size of it. But the bad thing about this one, I feel like it pops open easily. So I had bought this one before my last Disney trip, and this one's really cool. Like, you just turn it and you feel. So it's a little different setup than these more traditional. This is Wade's, than more of a traditional one, but I think I'm gonna use this one because it never fails. Every time I've ever used this one, even though it's cute and I like the color and stuff, I go in my bag and there's like vitamins everywhere. I forgot to mention, we are planning on going to the water park. So Disney for Cool Kids Summer, you get free entry on your check-in day if you're staying at a Disney resort, which we're actually doing a split stay this time, meaning we're actually going to have 2 check-in days. The day we arrive, and we're spending 3 nights at All-Star Sports, and then we're hopping over to Port Orleans Riverside and checking in that day. So really, technically, we could actually get 2 days of water park entry, but our first day, we're driving. I doubt we're gonna go to the water park because I think we're gonna get there too late because we're pretty far from Disney. So we're gonna be driving all day on that first day. But on the Sunday, we are planning on, my daughter's vote is to go to, there's 2 water parks. There's Blizzard Beach and Typhoon Lagoon. We went to Blizzard Beach last trip for our check-in day and we liked it, but she loves the wave pool at Typhoon Lagoon, so her vote was Typhoon Lagoon. So while I'm doing my my SPF bag, I remembered I need these just in case I want to walk around with my camera and take some pictures and do some filming. These are just some little, you put your phone in these pockets and they work. We used this on our cruise, our Disney cruise a few months ago when we went to, where did we go? Mexico. And these are nice, they work. They keep your phone dry, and you can still kind of control your phone through it. So I just wanted to show you guys. I'm sure most of you have probably seen these before, but while I was thinking of it, I was like, ooh, I need to grab those for the water park day. So that's that.
Listen how loud the crickets are. I just got this super cool backseat car organizer in from Amazon, and so we are like 3 days out from leaving, so we wanted to put it in the car and see if it would work. We are very happy with it. I love how it has the little flip down tray for her to eat on, or for her iPad, or any activity she's doing. It has the cup holders, a Kleenex pocket, lots of places she can put markers and such. Very much a thumbs up from us.
Where do I go?
Surf's Up.
What's Surf's Up? My mom is a surf.
Okay.
Here's a quick look at our room at All Star Sports. Come here often?
Experience that is displayed on your smart speaker. The button on the top of the device should be red, which means it's muted. To use the smart speaker, press the button to unmute it. The To find out what Hey Disney can do today, just say, "Hey Disney, what can you do?" to see what's available. You can use this phrase anytime you want to get back to the menu. Once you're finished with a particular request and ready to move on to another, it's important to say, "Hey Disney, exit." This experience will evolve over time, with new features to help you get the most.
It's a giant wave.
That's cute, huh?
Or a shark fin.
I'll take your picture in front of it.
Yeah. And the birthdays are 8.
Yeah.
We decided to make our way to Disney Springs to get some dinner and just to walk around a little bit and try to get some Gideon's cookies to supply us for the week.
I could eat that.